For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. This whole week we've been talking about different phonogram patterns, and today we looked at some other ones that you would see in multisyllable words. So here they are. We have ALK, ALL, AW, OOD, and OOK. So today you're going to be sorting words again based on their phonogram pattern that we have looked at today. So I'm going to go ahead and read through the words here. We have cornstalk, jigsaw, neighborhood, crosswalk, notebook, outlaw, workbook, hardwood, football, chainsaw, childhood, snowball, beanstalk, cookbook, rainfall, firewood, scrapbook, seesaw, baseball, and sidewalk. You're going to click and drag these blue words into the correct column that represents their phonogram pattern. Most of them are at the end of each word. I'm going to go ahead and do cornstalk for you. Cornstalk has the ALK at the end, so I'm going to click and drag that to our first column here that also shows ALK. If you run out of room on your column, just go ahead and put it right under this so that it hits on the yellow. When all of your blue words have been sorted, make sure you click Submit Assignment to your teacher.